Hi friends, ToTo TV is here. Let's go to the farm. What do you hear? Moo, moo, goes the big friendly cow. She eats green grass right now. Oink, oink, says the piggy so pink. Playing in mud, what do you think? Quack, quack, says the duck, so happy and neat. And baa, baa, says the soft fluffy sheep, oh what a treat.